Om Sai Ram friends. Today is 18th September 2024. Today is Gurusthan Dwarka Mai Chaudi Darshan. Friends, if Sadguru's hand is on your head, then there is no evil force in the world that can harm you. So friends, hold on to the feet of Sadguru. He will stand by you in every crisis. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namah. Om Sai Ram.